Hello, my name is Gaz and I love everything gardening. So we cover everything from plant tutorials to garden tours and everything in between. Today's video, we're heading over to Westonbury Mills in Hertfordshire, where we're going to take a look around this beautifully privately owned garden full of a few exotic plants and lots of beautiful perennials. So without further ado, let's get into today's video. Now, doesn't this boat scene look like something off My Girl? Isn't it beautiful? Well, I hope you guys enjoyed it. I certainly enjoyed my day out here, and it was really cheap. I think it was just £8 per adult, £4 per child to get in, and it has everything you need for a really lovely afternoon out. But if you did enjoy it, then please give it a big thumbs up, as it really does help the channel out, and drop a comment down below, as it helps share it out to others who love gardening just like we do. But until next time, I'll see you in the garden.